So hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we are reviewing a brand new custom ROM. Now this is Project Blaze Android 14, and as you can see the custom clocks are here. So talking about the battery backup in this ROM, so as you can see this ROM gives around 10 hours and 28 minutes of battery backup with around 379 hours of screen on time, which is incredible in my opinion. Like you can see here 0.3% per hour of screen of battery drain, so it is pretty incredible in my opinion. And let me show you something else. As you can see, the idle battery drain is so low, like it's 1 milliamps per hour. So yeah, this is pretty impressive in my opinion. Like this is an alpha build, this is not even a beta build, this is an alpha build, and yet they have such an incredible battery backup. So yeah, it's a thumbs up in my opinion. And talking about the charging in this ROM, this device charged from 18% to 67% in 46 minutes. So yeah, the charging works decently fine in my opinion. Like I'm not even using the original Xiaomi charger now, I'm using that Samsung 25-watt PD charger. So yeah, I may not be able to give you exact results, like this device isn't charging at 33 watt anyway. So in my opinion the battery charging is decently fine. Like if you are using original 33-watt charger, then I think you should get faster charging than what I am getting here. Now talking about the customization, like there are different kinds of customization in this ROM, but there are not that usual Project Blaze kind of customization, and those type of customization are found in this wallpaper and style. And then you have to go to the lock screen, and yeah, you can see there are bunch of lock screen clock options, and whichever is the one you want to pick, you just stop there and then you turn off the display, and now that clock is applied on your lock screen. So it's that simple, and in my opinion it looks pretty great. Now there is one more Android 14 feature, like let me show you. This is the AI wallpaper, like you can see here, and I think I can pick a theme. So yeah, you get this kind of wallpaper, and then all you have to do is apply it, and there you go. Yeah, now this is how your wallpaper looks. It's pretty cool in my opinion. Like it's a unique aspect. You don't have to go through third-party applications to find a new and unique wallpaper. You can create it however you want. So I think it's pretty great in my opinion. And then you also get emoji wallpapers. Like let me show you. Yeah, emoji workshop. So all you have to do is select an emoji like this one, then select random emojis or maybe ones you uh, like I'm picking random emojis right now. So you can pick up to 14 emojis, and then you can pick the patterns which you want, like sticker, sprinkle, mosaic and stuff. So let me pick up the stacks and let's see. Then I can choose the colors. I can also play with the size here, like how many I want per inch of my display. Maybe that's the right word, I think. So I want it pretty crowded. And then let's go with the colors. Like I want purple. Purple is something I'm already using, so let's try something else. Like this one, this looks pretty good in my opinion. Then you can also go dark mode if you want. Yellow looks good, then red also looks decent. Let's go with green. So yeah, then all you have to do is set wallpaper, and voila, there you go, you have a brand new wallpaper of the emojis that you like. So yeah, it's pretty great in my opinion. Like I think you also get an animation when you unlock your device. Yeah, you can see here, this is the animation that you get in the wallpaper. So these are the kind of unique customization that you can do on your home screen. Other than that, in the settings panel, it's pretty common. I think there is nothing new. Even there is no peak display, like if you tap and hold the back button, then it doesn't show you the previous screen. But the back icon is Android 14. So yeah, there's that. Now talking about the Google Play certification, this device is not certified, so there are issues with the banking apps, and banking apps are not working on this particular device. And due to that, you may have to root your device to fix this issue. If you don't want to root your device, then I'll say wait for it. There will be an update, and then they will fix this issue in the upcoming version. Now talking about the performance in this ROM, this device gets like 3,67,000 score on Antutu benchmark, so it's pretty decent in my opinion. Like, this is not even a beta build, I think this is an alpha build, so it's pretty acceptable in my opinion. Like, this is not a performance beast. There are even some lags and stutters here and there in the OS, so I think we can excuse for the fact that this is an alpha build. And also the CPU stress test is decently fine. Like, the average score is 1,35,000 GIPS and the max is 1,49,000. So it's pretty decent in my opinion. Like, it's nothing to boast about. This is not a gaming ROM whatsoever. Like, this is a ROM to give you experience of Android 14, like true Android 14 with true Android 14 features. And this is not a ROM where you can like expect all the features and all the stability features and daily driving capability and all that stuff. This ROM doesn't even come with a camera by default. Like, you can install a Google camera and all that stuff, or you can use an open camera application from Play Store. The Play Store works decently fine in my opinion. Like, this is not something you should daily drive. And talking about the pixel storage, like you can see here, you get the unlimited pixel storage, so you don't have to worry about backing up photos and videos because they are absolutely free and unlimited. So I'll say that you can definitely try this ROM, but I won't recommend you to daily drive it, especially because of this. Like, banking apps might not work. I haven't tried, but I'll suggest you that you can try it, but definitely don't use it for daily driving because there's not even a camera app by default, like not even aperture camera or like Gcam Go that is there by default in some ROMs. That's not even there. So yeah, that might be a problem for some people. So that was my conclusion. Like, there are some features, if you want to experience them, you can flash it for a bit, then you can roll back to your previous ROM and all that stuff. And on that note, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye now.